With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, we have two statements. Statement 1 is assertion and 2 is the reason, and we have to examine the statement and mark the correct option. Statement 1 is if activation energy of the reaction is 0, temperature will have no effect on the rate constant. Statement 2 is lower the activation energy, faster is the reaction. So basically when we talk about activation energy, we have a Arrhenius equation, which is K is equals to A e raised to the power EA upon RT, where A is the Arrhenius constant, EA is the activation energy. Activation energy is the minimum energy required for the completion of the reaction. R is the universal gas constant, and T is temperature. So basically this is temperature. So in this statement, if activation energy is 0, temperature have no effect on the rate constant. Let's see if value of T is 0. If value of T is 0, then this whole value becomes 0. That means it becomes K is equals to A raised to the power 0. That means K becomes equal to T. So as this whole value becomes 0, that's why temperature have no effect on the rate constant, because it becomes equal to the Arrhenius constant. That's why statement first is the correct statement. Next thing is lower is the energy, faster is the reaction. Lower is the activation energy, faster is the reaction. When we consider this concept that lower is the activation energy, faster is the rate of reaction, let's consider this. If value of EA is lower, activation energy is lower, that means let's take log of both the sides. If we take log of both the sides, it becomes equals to log K is equals to log A minus EA upon 2.303 RT. So basically when value of activation energy is decreased, that means this whole value, because this is in the numerator, this whole value decreases, and this is a negative value. When the negative value decreases, that means value of rate constant increases, because here EA is in the negative form, and because of the decrease in EA, this whole value decreases. That's why value of log K increases. And if value of log K or K increases, then K signifies the rate constant. Then we can say that rate constant value increases. That's why lower is the activation energy, faster is the reaction, because here rate constant value increases, and this rate constant describes about the rate of the reaction. More is the rate constant, more is the rate of reaction, and faster is the reaction. So accordingly both statements are correct, but second statement doesn't define the reason of the first statement, because here the activation due to the zero activation energy, temperature has no effect, because it also becomes 0. Because of this exponential factor becomes 0. So it doesn't defined by the second statement. This option number second will be our correct answer, that both the statements are true, but the statement 2 is not the correct explanation of the statement 1. Okay, so I hope you understand this question. Thank you very much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.